Whether it's an exam or a football game, one of the most important parts of coordinating an event is making sure your community knows it's happening. Minga makes sharing your event easy, allowing you to put your focus into organizing a great event. Let's take a look. As an example, let's say our school is having an important assembly on anti-bullying next Friday. First, click the Add button. From the drop-down, choose Event. Add the event details. This includes a title, a banner image, the time and date of the event, and several optional fields. In the Event Settings drop-down, there are 2 additional options. Tracking event engagement allows users to mark themselves as going to an event. They'll also be able to check in to an event once it has begun to mark themselves as having attended. This will give you insight into roughly how many people plan to attend your event, as well as how many were actually there. We recommend you keep this setting on. The Require Code for Check-in setting requires users to have a password to check in. You set the password and provide it to attendees during your event. For mandatory events, this allows you to know exactly who attended. With our event posted, it is now visible in the main feed to everyone in our Minga. It will also appear in the Calendar tab on the left. Users will be able to click on the event to see all the details, and mark themselves as going. This will add the event to the user's Going tab in their calendar, allowing them to see all the upcoming events they'll be attending. As the event creator, we can view a list of all the people who marked themselves as going and who checked in. This list is found on the events page. Commenting on your events page is a great way to update attendees with additional details and answer any questions that come up. If you have a group or club related event you'd like to post, you can add the event directly into your group. This way only your group members will see it. Minga might not be able to organize an entire event for you, but it can definitely make things easier. For more information and support, go to minga.helpdocs.com. Thanks for watching.